friends, I'm back with a new video in the video series of the chapter Square and Square Roots. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the squares of different numbers with very easy trick and in no time. So let's start with the video. And yes, if you find any difficulty, do comment me under the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start and see how we can find the squares of different numbers with very easy trick. So let's start with type 1. How can we find the squares of the number which is having a unit digit as number 5? As we know, we have different digits. As you can see on the screen, we have 5 squared, 15 squared, 25 squared, 35 squared, 45 squared. I gave these many examples. So as we know, what is a square? A square of a number is a number which we get when we multiply a number by itself. So it means 5 square is equal to 5 into 5, which we simply know that is 25. Let me write this 25. All right. Then we have 15 square. Now we have two ways. Either we should know the table of 15 or we will multiply this number 15 by 15. So definitely it will take time. So what can we do? Simply, we know the square of the digit which is at ones place, that is 5, 25. Let me write that 25 as it is. Now, next process, we are going to see the digit which is at tens place. If you see here, we have number 1 at tens place. And do you know what is the successor of number 1? Yes, we all know that is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. And yes, definitely we have to fill that number here. All right, so in this way, the square of 15 will be 225. Now let's see whether this trick will use on the next number or not. 25 square. Unit digit 5. So square of the unit digit is 25. I will write. Now let's see the digit at tens place, which is 2. Successor of 2, 3. Yes. And then at tens place, we are going to multiply the number, the digit which is at tens place to its successor. Yes. So 2 into 3 will be 6. All right. In the same way, let's see the next one. Here in the unit digit, we have 5. So 5 square is 25. And if we see the digit at tens place, which is 3. Now the successor is 3 is 4. Yes. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. All right. So 35 squared is 1225. Next, 45 square. So if you see the unit digit is 5 again, so square of 5 is 25. And if we see the digit which is at tens place, that is 4. Successor of 4 is 5. Yes. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So what is the square of 45? That is 2025. So have you seen how easily we can find the square of these kind of numbers? Now what you are going to do, please find the square of the other numbers, which is 55, 65, 75, and don't forget to share your experiences, share your ideas under the comment section. Now we are going to move on the next type. How can we find the square of any number? Any number. All right. So let's see. So let's take the first number. I'm going to take a number 23. Let's find the square of 23. How can we find the square of 23? All right. So for this, we have to consider the digits which is at ones place, tens place, and definitely, yes, this power, this exponent as A, B, and C. Once एक बार समझ में आ जाएगा, it would be very easy for everyone to solve, to find the square of any numbers. Please cooperate. Please watch it carefully. All right. So just make 3 dashes for these 3 digits A, B, and C. Now we will start from the unit digit, which is 3. Yes. So here at unit digit, we are going to fill the square of B, which is 3. In the middle, we are going to multiply ABC, which is 2, 3, and C is the power 2. And here at the hundredths place, we are going to write the square of the tens digit. Yes. So A square, ABC, B square. Now let's see how can we find it in a simple way. First, we will start from this 3. So 3 square we all know that is 9. Let's write 9 over here. Then here in the middle, as we have seen, we have to write the product of A, B and C. So product of A, B and C, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. Yes, now 12. So for 12, we are not going to write 12. We are going to write only the ones place digit, which is 2. And yes, this 1 will be carry forwarded. So keep it in your mind that 1 we have to add in the next place. Now, first place is A square and A is number 2. So what is the square of number 2? Yes, we all know the square of number 2 is 4. Now we are not going to write over here 4 because 1 was carry forwarded. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And yes, this 529 is the square of 23. You can cross check it. Yes, 529 is the square of 23. You can cross check it with the help of the calculator or simply by multiplying. So was that easy? Now let's see some other examples. I'm going to take one more example, which is 36. All right, let's see how can we find the square of 36. 36. So we will start with the unit digit. So 6 square is 36. Let me write 6 and 3 will be carry forwarded. So keep it aside. Now, next is we have to multiply all these 3 numbers. That is 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36. Now 36 plus 3, which was carry forwarded, will be 39. Yes, so I will write 9 and again 3 will be carry forwarded. Now, this 3 square is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. Yes, so I will be writing 12 over here. So 1296 will be the square of number 36. Was that easy? Let's check with few more examples. I'm going to take the next example, which is 44. So let me find out the square of 44. Again, this 4 square is 16. 6 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now we are going to multiply all these 3 numbers. So 4 into 4. Yes, very good. 4 4 is a 16 and 16 2 is a 32. 32 plus 1, that would be 33 and 3 will be carry forwarded. And now again 4 square is 16 and 16 plus 3 is 19. Yes. So 1936 is the square of 44. In the same way, let me take one more example, which is 75. Now, as if you see, I have mixed something. Yes, 75, if you see here, we have the unit digit as 1. Here we have the unit digit as 5. So we have seen this is under type 1. 5 5s are 25 and successor of 7 is 7 8s are 56. So 5625 is the square of 75. And yes, you can cross check with this trick of ABC, which I told you right now. So let's check with that. Now let me write the square of the digit which is at 1's place, that is 5. So that would be 25. I will be writing 5 and 2 will be carry forwarded. Now let's multiply. So 7 5s are 35. 35 into 2 would be 70. Now 70 plus 2, that is 72 and 7 will be carry forwarded. Now when we do the square of 7, so 7 into 7 is 49 and 49 plus 7 undoubtedly 56. So can you see we got the same answer with both the tricks, 5625. So friends, here a few numbers are for you. Just find out the squares of these numbers through the tricks which I taught you today and mention under the comment section. So have you seen how easily we can find the squares of different numbers? So now it's your turn. Do find the squares of the numbers which I have given to you. And yes, you can take any number of your choice as well. And if you find any difficulty, don't forget to mention under the comment section. We will be meeting soon with the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Sayonara.